Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to use three-way split screen. To run three apps simultaneously in split screen, you need to use unfolded screen. So, at first you need to open the first application, like for example Chrome. Now either from this edge panel right here, or from using Taskbar, you need to turn on the second one. So for example, let be Notes. Hold this application and drop anywhere on your screen, like for example on the left or the right side. And you need to do the same to the next application, like for example Messages. And here I've got the first one, the second one, the third one. We've got three applications in the one view. That's it, bye!